Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Maserati Levante and see what is the difference after installing them. Let's go. The BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus Wheel Spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus cost an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.